So today we're with Elite Insulation and they're spraying a new construction home. They're using wall spray technique with their green machine outside. Right now we have one applicator and their crew of 3. He's using the nozzle and he's spraying in 2x6 cavities while we have another co-worker there as he's vacuuming up the recycle that gets scrubbed off and anything that hits the floor. That material is going to go back into the machine, that second hopper, and mix in with the dry material where it comes out this smaller 3-inch hose out the nozzle there as he's injecting a mist of water, a fine mist, along with the recycled and the dry product. It's very important right now as they're in this little bump out. There's a lot of nooks and crannies, electrical wires, little boxes, things like that. That's a little tougher to get in with other types of insulation. But with this right now, we can get a real tight envelope because the insulation will blow back behind the electrical outlets and back behind all the electrical wires.